Hello, my name is Patrick Jameson, and in this video, we're going to assemble our mainframe, apply the appropriate sealant, and insert all of our frame plugs. Outside looking in, here is our right jamb, and here's our left jamb. This channel will be facing the exterior on the right jamb. The channel on the left jamb will be facing the interior. You can always refer to your sales order acknowledgement for configuration details. I'm going to start assembling the right jamb to the header. I'm going to need the frame plugs and assembly screws with my appropriate sealant. We're going to start by sliding our frame plug onto the jamb. The smooth side will face inside of the jamb channel. Now we're going to apply sealant to the edge of the head as well as to the top of the jamb. Ensure you have sealant inside this channel where the frame plug is going to slide into and be held into place. Now it's time to set the jamb and the head together, and using your assembly screws, hand tighten the screws to prevent damage to the frame. Once you finish assembling the right jamb to the header, follow the same process on the left jamb to the header. Now it's time to assemble the right jamb to the sill. I'm going to ensure both of our pivot plates line up, the pivot plate to the header to the pivot plate on the sill. Now I'm going to install our frame plug. The smooth side is still going to face inside the jamb channel. We'll now apply our sealant to the edge of the sill, as well as sealant inside this channel to hold the plug in place. Hand tighten your assembly screws to prevent damage to the frame. Once both assembly screws are fastened, follow the same process when assembling the left jamb to the sill. To recap, we've now assembled our mainframe, applied the appropriate sealant, and inserted all 4 frame plugs. In the next video, we're going to install our assembled mainframe, hang the pivot door, and add the handles.